Hey guys, day 3. It rained. It was very windy, but all that seemed to have stopped. So we got 3 hours. Wish me luck, guys. So I believe I'm probably the only one that's out here on Charleston Lake anyways. Just working a drop shot. If I could catch about 318s for those little, just those little upgrades, I'd be happy. Well, that's good for the last day, you know. Makes you think you got a fish, but you ain't got no fish. There we go, fish on, guys. Day 3, finally caught one. Look at that. Is this an upgrade? Didn't seem very big. Not big at all. Look at that. That fought pretty good for a little guy. Day 3. Be free. There we go. There's just another little guy. Be free. It's yeah, after you start fishing for smallies and you start hitting them, it's I think the largemouths are over. The funniest thing that I ever heard was people call them ditch pickles. Oh, already got a bite. Yeah, ditch pickles. What an interesting name. Yeah. Commit. Another little guy. Oh, he's trying to get away. Oh, that's a big perch. Look at that, jumbo. That's not what I'm going for. I'm curious on this one. Hang on a second. I'm gonna do it. I want to send this one and submit this as a picture. Please don't jump off right now. I want to make search. You're gonna work, buddy. Be free. It's a good perch. 11 and a half. Oh, last entry. I'll make it funny. Look at that. know why my net's on this side. A lot of little guys. Oh yeah. What is he? He's got a tail in there or something. He's eating something in there. Be free, buddy. Not hitting the big fish that I was hoping for, but I am having fun out here catching quite a bit of fish. So it wasn't a time wasted. Glad I spent the extra little bit of time. Look at that. Ah, I didn't get it. The back? Right here. Oh. Little bugger. Alright guys, I think that is it. It's about that time. The season's a wrap. This was the last tournament of the season. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And rounding it out, 10th place was Mr. Randy Yu with 78 inches. Our last raffle, guys, this is going to be a Shimano prize pack, one of my favorite raffles to give out every month. This is going to be a combination prize pack kit of a Mirabelle spinning reel, really cool reel, new to Shimano, dry bag, some swag. This is a really cool package worth 400 bucks. So the winner of the Shimano prize pack, and this makes me really happy because this is a really cool guy, very selfless, always promoting the sport and cheering on everybody. I'm really happy to announce the Shimano prize pack is going to my good buddy, Randy Yu. So congratulations, you win the Shimano prize pack, buddy. I'm super stoked to have drawn your name. That's exciting stuff.
Okay, next goes to most sportsman angler of the year.
Okay, this one's exciting.
Should we keep it in suspense for like 20-30 seconds?
I'm pretty excited about this one.
This one's good.
Most sportsmanlike goes to a guy that
As on social media is really promoted the group. He's on there, basically like a dirty shirt, and he's brought new anglers to the group. He's really done a lot for KBC as an angler.
He's also helped out a lot of our charity events last year, bringing new anglers to the club.
Yeah, that's right.
Always promoting in a positive way.
Yeah. So yeah, he's done a lot. So this one, and I'm gonna tell you, this guy is gonna be like in Eagles on this one.
I'm excited to see him win, man.
Goes to no other than Randy Yu.
Congratulations, Randy. Well done, buddy.
And he has a $75 gift certificate card from Yak Attack. So congratulations, Randy.